Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check your credit score on Chase. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your browser, type in chase.com and get into their official website. Now right afterwards, you can also choose to sign in as well. Then if you come over here in the home page, you won't find any option which directly leads you to your credit score, right? So for that, just simply go on top, go to search option and type in credit score. Search it up and I will get various search results. You simply have to scroll down a bit and tap on this check your credit score for free with Credit Journey by Chase. Tap on it. So this is simply the service that Chase itself provides you for you to check your credit score and etc. You can, as I mentioned before, you can also choose to tap on this customer login and simply log in and can get your score, or you can tap on this option of get free score first. Again, you simply have to provide your first name, middle name, your last name, and your suffix, which is simply an optional information. If you have, provide. If you don't, then leave it. Your identification, your date of birth and social security number. Now go ahead and enter your address, your contact info accordingly. Check this box and tap on this next option. Then you will be able to provide your account details and then you can check out the credit score for the same. So that is simply the process. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.